Hi and welcome back to my channel. This week's problem is about trying to find the area of the blue equilateral triangle. We have got two equilateral triangles, the blue and the red one, inscribed in this square. The red equilateral triangle has an area of 16 centimeters squared and is touching the blue triangle, as you can see in the diagram there. Can you find the blue area? Now, I'm going to go through my solution shortly, so if you want to, pause the video now. Otherwise, I'm going to show you my solution in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to do is to allocate or label one of the sides of the blue triangle. So I'm going to call that X. Now that, because it's an equilateral, means this side is also X. From there, I'm going to look at the angles of the triangles and the square. So because they're equilateral, those angles are 60. Subtract those from 90 degrees, the right angles in the corner of the square, and we get these angles are 30. Now because those two angles are the same, we have got an isosceles triangle here at the base of this square. That therefore means that this side has to be the same, the left side has to be the same as the right side in terms of this triangle, which means both of those are X. Now I'm then going to consider the height of this isosceles triangle. Now I can see that the height of that isosceles triangle is exactly half of the height of the blue equilateral triangle. And so the blue equilateral triangle has a height of X. Half of that is going to be X over 2. I'm then going to try and work out the base of the square, and I'm going to do that by using Pythagoras. So that it's going to be 2 times the square root of x squared minus x over 2 squared, which simplifies to x squared minus x squared over 4, which simplifies further to 3x squared over 4, which when you square root everything gives us x root 3 over 2. And multiplying that by 2 gives us a length of x root 3. Now, because it's a square, that will be the length of all of the sides. So this left-hand side here, which is also the length of the red triangle, is x root 3. They are the same thing. What we can do then is get a scale factor from the blue triangle to the red triangle using these lengths. So that would be x root 3, the longer length, divided by the smaller length, divided by x. Okay, x root 3 divided by x gives an answer of root 3. So that is what I would multiply all of the lengths by of the blue triangle to get the lengths of the red triangle. Now the area scale factor is the length scale factor squared. So root 3 squared gives us an area scale factor of 3. That means the blue area times by 3 would give the red area, but because we're going the opposite way, we're going to divide by 3, and that gives us an answer for the blue area of 16 over 3, or 16 divided by 3 centimeters squared. If you were able to solve this problem and use a different solution, please put it down in the comments below so that other people can see that solution and check against that. All that's left to say is thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already and you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, and if you're not already, subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. There will be another video just up here that should be specifically for you. Please do click on that because that helps boost the video and helps with the algorithm. That's what I understand anyway. Thanks so much for watching. I will put a new video up next Monday, 5 PM, problem solving video like always. Until then, bye bye.